इस दुनिया में प्यार फैलाएंगे, खुशियों का उत्सव मनाएंगे, एक ही साथ मिलेंगे हम, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। हे वसुधैव 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 कुटुंबकम। एक ही ईश्वर एक ही ज्ञान, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। इस पल में हमें जीना है, हंसना और मुस्कुराना है, सबको गले लगाना है, वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। कुछ ही तो मान के
much. What a stupendous performance, my dear children. A huge round of applause for all the children here. Oh my God, I really love you all. Thank you so much for this amazing performance. If this mega event was possible and it's successful, it's because of my entire team efforts, their unstinted hard work for the past 2 months. Be it my staff, my admin staff, my teachers, my helper staff, everybody has worked relentlessly for the past 2 months. Thank you so much, everyone. May I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Sunil Rawat and his entire team who's put up this amazing show. Okay, let me take this opportunity also to thank my core committee. First and foremost is a lady with an amazing smile who's the backbone of this entire event. She's been working shoulder to shoulder with me, always with a smile and a positive attitude. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on the stage the Vice Principal of the school, Miss Babita Vasan. Next, may I call upon the lady who is multi-talented, who is the lifeline of the primary wing, who is multi-talented. She always keeps on smiling and she's there for the school at all the time. She is the face of all the important events. Can I call upon the primary headmistress, Miss Neeru Sachdeva, onto the stage? The next is a gentleman who's always been there for the school. His only dialogue is, "मैम आप टेंशन मत लो, मैं आपके साथ कभी भी हूँ, हमेशा स्कूल के साथ रहूँगा." A person who has done everything to do with the admin work along with my entire admin team. Please welcome the HOD of Physical Education, Mr. Akhil Maini, onto the stage. The next is the dancing queen of Gyan Mandir Public School, a lady who has made 1,000 children dance to her tunes. It's not an easy job, ladies and gentlemen. Always with a positive attitude. Please welcome and thank you so much for this amazing event, Harshita ma'am. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I had this vision of hosting this magnum opus. But if I could host this, it's because of the support, the guidance, the amazing leadership which I have always received from the one and only charismatic chairman of the school, Mr. Prashant Khosla. Thank you so much, sir. I also take this opportunity to thank the Vice President of the school, Mr. Vinitashva Khosla, who could not be here, but thank you so much for being a beacon of light always. I also thank Balla sir, our secretary, for always being a mentor for the school. Thank you so much, sir. Last but not the least, thank you so much, Manager ma'am, Miss Sumati Anand. Can we have a huge round of applause for her, please? She's always been the guiding light for me. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request Honorable Chairman, sir, the Chief Guest, Major General Juneja, sir, And ma'am and all the honored guests, manager ma'am, secretary sir, to please come on to the stage for a photograph, please. Can I have the head boy and the head girl escorting them? Manager ma'am, honored guests, please can I have you all on the stage?